Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, Google Gemini update problem. Step by step, let's get started. See, this is the problem, Google Gemini update problem. How to fix it? Okay, first on your Google Play Store app and now search here Google Gemini and check update your Google Gemini. My Google Gemini app already updated. Okay, back. And second step, go to your phone settings, scroll down, click on the apps icon. Now search here Google Gemini. Click on the Gemini and scroll down, click on the storage. Now click on the clear check and clear data, delete. Okay, back. And third step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And I hope your problem has been solved successful.